Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language of the terms and definitions in the Quizlet flashcard and homework application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the library button at the bottom of the page, and then just click on any study sets that you created or the draft, and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left, and at the language section you can choose the terms and as the definitions language as well. So just click on the language that you want to use. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.